The thing kept me going is the hoping. The moment of open is the hope, like I hope this time it works. So it just open and ta-da! Then just to concentrate until like I want to be a full-time baker. Before that, I was a classical musician, a bassoon player, and also audio engineering in performing art scene for 15 years. And now here I am to bake sourdough. My name is Terence, founder of Wild Yeast Bakery. When I just started, in 3 months time, I actually throw a lot of bread. Just keep bake and throw and keep it bake and throw. Every time you throw a bread, you kind of like heartache like that. It's like, oh my god, a baby just throw away like that. I think baking sourdough is in art form because it's not like industrial. It cannot predict the result every single time. Frankly speaking, we are baking every day, but every day the bread for us is different. It's like a baby, you have to keep looking at it, and from day to night, they have their own characteristics inside too. And you have to know their language, then you will somehow understand. Slowly, the bread will let you know what is suitable for them. I think the common mistake that the home baker always face it is the temperature. And because the temperature play a very essential role. If you know how to control the temperature of the levain, then you can somehow get the patterns of your own mother dough. To become a baker is like you have to be very honest to yourself first. Then you can only create like very honest kind of bread. The key things is you don't give up, and no such thing like it's not for me. If you are determined enough to do that and you believe yourself that you can make it, I think everything is possible. So a lot of customer feedback is like the texture of my bread is very different from others. Yeah, it's our responsibility to give a good piece of bread to the customer. Same like musicians, you have to prepare yourself for the performance. Once you open the door, it means the show starts. If you are interested about our bread, please drop by our place, Wild Yeast Bakery in Damansara Jaya, and we're happy to share our knowledge with you. So see you guys. Bye.